Thank you very much, Mr. Scindia, for joining us for Rising Bharat and for sparing your time. Let me start with a question that affects all of us with a mobile phone and a SIM card and WhatsApp. There is a guideline coming in force from tomorrow on SIM binding directions कि अगर आप WhatsApp को अपने कंप्यूटर पे खोल के देख रहे हैं तो और all of us using laptops, computers, phone, तो उसमें कुछ घंटे के बाद वो बंद होगा and you have to do it again. So is that guideline, is there any chance of an extension on that, and is Meta going to comply?
So, first of all, Nalin, it's wonderful to be back at Rising Bharat and News 18. It's an event that is always calendarized now. It's almost as if this event has become an institution in itself. So I'd like to congratulate you and Network 18 in terms of putting together a very thought-provoking platform for the country, as well as globally, as India's rise is now being accepted across the globe. Let me first start by saying that telecom and mobile technology today is no longer a luxury. If you will, in many ways, it is almost like the blood coursing through our veins. It is the invisible digital highway on which not only communications run, but it becomes in many ways a carriageway on the basis of which commerce, communication, livelihoods, and economies across the world run. So very akin to what happened in the Industrial Revolution almost over a century ago, where you had the world powers building out railroads and highways. This is what I call in Hindi the Adrishya Adhosanrachana, the invisible highway, which enables a lot of content to go through it. Now, when that happens, then there are a lot of economic positive externalities, but there are also some negative externalities that accompany it. And it is our job at the Ministry of Communications to make sure that we have a firewall, if you will, in place that prevents negative externalities from taking advantage of this system.